What's up, guys? So today we are doing the boat tour. So some of my videos don't have audio, don't know why. So you get the notification and I do another video that day, and it's the same video. The first notification that you probably got, it will probably be canceled. That video will probably be canceled, so you may not be able to watch it. If you do, it's fine because I'm going to fix the audio problem, see? So, it made it in the boat. It's hard to get in this thing because I have the rods right there. So, pain in the butt. Up here. Thing for the trolling motor, light wires, seat. First compartment, my spinnerbait box, net, minnow bucket, oar, life vest, seat pad, pond box, driving seat. I want a pedal. Right here's tools, fire extinguisher, rope. Right here's my crankbait, my crank and rattle trap box, popper and frog box. Wait, yeah. What's up, Juicy? And then swim baits and shadow baits. Over here, Stanko's. That's where all the crappie baits, Guggen baits, Zoom, just bags of baits. Hooks and shad scent. No, crawfish scent. I had shad scent somewhere. No 10-pounders. The biggest fish that we've got in here, probably an ounce. And there's only been one fish in here because we've only had it since August. And no one really wants to see this, but yeah. And then this feature of the boat, you cannot raise it up automatically, but that right there, if it doesn't start the key, pull that, and it starts. And then got the rods right here. So it's a trampoline for me. Alright. So, I'm getting something to pull it soon. So, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Peace.